Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add a new customer or client in Sage Accounting. So let's get started. Adding customers in Sage Accounting is an important step because it allows you to create invoices, track transactions, and manage customer information more efficiently. To add a new customer, you can use the Quick Links section and click the Add button, then select the option to create a new customer. You can also go to the Contacts section and choose Customers to access the Customer Management area. Once there, click on New Customer and enter the required information. Start by filling in the main customer details, including whether the customer is an individual or a business, along with their name and contact information. Next, review the account settings and choose the appropriate sales category for that customer. If the delivery address is different from the billing address, you can enter separate delivery details as needed. You can also configure payment settings, such as credit limits and payment terms. Credit limits help control the maximum amount of outstanding credit a customer can have, while payment terms determine how long the customer has to pay invoices, such as 7, 14, or 30 days. If payment is required immediately, you can set the payment term to 0 days. If your business uses multiple pricing levels, such as retail, trade, or wholesale pricing, you can assign the appropriate price list to the customer. You can also add internal notes that your team can reference when working with that client. After saving the customer, you can edit their details at any time. Open the customer record to update contact information, addresses, payment settings, or other account details. You can also add additional contacts, such as someone from the finance department, and include notes about specific instructions or important information related to the customer. Keeping customer records updated helps ensure accurate invoicing, better communication, and smoother account management within Sage Accounting. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.